Ala Rasulillah, we give thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has spared our lives to this moment. We pray accept our ibadat. Ameen. This is the Nahw Class 67, and the topic is تقسيم الاسم إلى مفرد ومثنى وجمع. So this النحو الوادي الجزء الثاني, the second part of النحو الوادي. Now the top it says الاسم ينقسم ثلاثة أقسام. The noun is divided into three parts, into three types. We have mufradun or musannan or jam'un, singular, dual, and plural. So obviously this is what ينقسم ثلاثة أقسام باعتبار عدده. So it's with respect to the number of nouns we have. So we have singular, dual, and plural. So it says فالمفرد ما دل على شيء واحد. Mufrad, which is singular, is what indicates a singular entity, that is one entity. والمثنى ما دل على شيئين اثنين بزيادة ألف ونون أو ياء ونون في آخره. So he's saying that مثنى ما دل على شيئين اثنين is a word that indicates two things, two entities. بزيادة ألف ونون أو ياء ونون في آخره, with increment of alif and nun or yaw and nun at the end. At the end of what? Of the singular word. So when we have a singular word, we add alif and nun or yaw and nun to the end. We have what? We have al-musanna, that is the dual word. Then al-jamu madalla ala akthara min athnain. Jamu is a word that indicates a number that is more than two. So from three above, we have jamu, we have plural. Unlike English, that we have singular, plural, we have singular, dual, then we have three and above, which is the plural. So let's take a look at the examples and see what we have. So just like the types, we have three sections of the example, one denoting mufrad, then one for musanna, and then the last one for jamu. So we have the first example for the mufrad, we have ta'ib al-amil. Ta'ib al-amil, the worker became tired. The worker became tired. You can see the word is just as it's supposed to be. You know, when we go back to sorfu and look at the shape of the word, it comes in fa'il. So it's still the singular shape, the natural shape of the word. Fa'ilun. That is the performer of an action. So we have amil. So it is still a singular word. Then we have hadar al-muhandisu. The engineer arrived. The engineer arrived. So muhandis is mufrad, a singular word. Then we have nadaitul bai'a. I called the seller. I called upon the seller. So al-ba'i' is still the singular form of the word. Akhnaitu alal muhadzabati. I praised a cultured female. I praised a cultured female. So al-muhadzaba is the singular word for the word. We have al-muhadzabu, which is the masculine word. Then we have al-muhadzabatu, which is feminine word. So it's still a singular word. Then the second part of the example of the types of nouns with respect to its number, we have looked at the singular examples. Then this is for dual. So amilan, the two workers became tired. So if you recall from the qaida, we said al-musanna madalla ala shay'ain, madalla ala shay'ain bi ziyadati alfin wa nunin aw ya'in wa nunin fi akhir. So fi akhir what? Fi akhir al-mufrad. So it is the addition of alif and nun or yaw and nun to the end of the singular word. So ta'ib al-amilan, amil from amil with which is singular, then we add alif and nun to the end to make it what? Dual. So became tired. Then we have hadar al-muhandisan. Hadar al-muhandisan. See the same thing. Addition of alif and nun to the end of the singular word, which is muhandisu. So this will mean two engineers arrived. The two engineers arrived. Then we have nadaitul ba'i'ain. I called upon the two sellers, because we have added words yaw and nun. So because the Konya told us alif and nun or yaw and nun. So we've added a yaw and nun, and this gives it what? This makes the word ba'in dual. So I called upon the two sellers. Asnaitu ala al-muhadhabatain. I praise the two cultured females. The two cultured females. I praise the two. So the yaw and nun that has joined the ta here has made the word muhadhabatun become muhadhabatain, which is a dual word. Then the plural, you know, the plural we have ta'ibal ummalu. The workers became tired. Hadarul muhandisun. The engineers arrived. Nadaitul bayi'in. I called the sellers. Afnaitu al muhadzabat. I praised the cultured females. So these are what plural forms. Now, if you look at these plural words, they have different shapes. All of them, from al umal, al muhandisun, al bayi'in, muhadabat, they have different shapes. That is because we have what we call taqsim al-jama', the division of plurals. We have also the division of plurals. So the plural of specific shape like mufrad or muthanna. So it has its own division also, different types of plural. So in the next class, in class 68, we are going to be looking at taqsim al-jama'. So this is where we stop here for now. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.